Hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Snapchat login problem. Oops, we cannot be find matching credential. Lot of Snapchat user has been reporting to in Snapchat login problem like the oops, we cannot be find matching credential. This problem show on iPhone as well as Android users. So guys, now question is what to do for fixing this issue. Before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now first of all, I open the Snapchat applications. Now you can see also bottom 2 new error, oops, we cannot be find matching credential. Now in this tutorial I give you two solutions for fixing this issue. Now first one I will show you. Now first of all, press and hold in the Snapchat applications. Now tap on the app information. In the app informations you can see also storage uses options available. Now please make sure tap on that. Now right inside options available clear data. Now please make sure tap on that and tap on the clear. Once your data is clear, now again come back in home screens. Now again open the Snapchat applications on your iPhone and Android devices. Now please make sure wait for the sometimes. Now open the Snapchat app. After you can see also bottom to select the login option. In the login, first option is username and second one is password. So guys, now please make sure wait for the sometimes. Now you can see also tap on the username. Once username is completed, now our second option is password. Now please make sure enter your correct password. Once password is entered, now you can see also bottom to select login icon and now wait for the sometimes for the OTP verifications. OTP verifications is done in your Snapchat applications. Now all the permissions like microphone, camera, and this way too you can easily log in your Snapchat account in your iPhone and Android devices. Sometimes lot of users to say this trick is not working on my iPhone and Android. So guys, go for the second trick. Second trick is most important for the Snapchat login problem fix on your iPhone and Android. Now first of all, open the Snapchat applications. Now tap on the bottom to select forget password. Now two options available, email and also mobile numbers. Now please make sure enter your correct mobile numbers. After tap on the continue, now again enter your new passwords. This way too you can easily login problem fix on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment section. Thank you so much.